Oh, is it recording?
Hey guys, today we're gonna run some errands. I couldn't get my last video edited because there's a problem with my iPad. It keeps shutting down for no reason, so I couldn't edit. So yeah.
Well, we're done with our errands. I checked up. My dad checked up. We're both good. So we're going to the market again. My favorite. We're going to the market so that me and my dad can buy some gifts and souvenirs to send back home. We can't deliver it. We can't deliver it ourselves. We're just gonna send it through a package. Yeah, we're gonna buy a lot of seaweed probably and a lot of dried stuff. We're not gonna buy fresh food because shipping. So I think that's about it. I'm gonna vlog around. I might buy another red bean bun because red bean buns are so good. Yeah, I'm so pissed with the iPad thing at the moment. I couldn't edit anything because my iPad would just shut down out of nowhere. I'd have to open it and then it's not saved and I have to do it all over again. It just bothers me so. I'm not sure if I can edit the video. Maybe it'll come out once I'm in the Philippines, or if I'm lucky I'll finish that video and try to edit on my phone. So yeah, let's go.
Arrived. Look at all them. We're back. We're gonna eat lunch now. Lunch. Oh, I forgot to put my mic on. Who cares? Sundae soup, sundae, and then my dad got pig blood. Yeah. First time trying blood. Did not expect it to crumble.
It's like tofu.
I thought it was gonna be like jelly.
Yeah, it's like totori.
Yeah.
Totori mo.
It's good.
What?
I'm not gonna film because I'm kinda shy. They might say something. Oh wait, look who one of the servers was giving attitude to the customers and that kind of scared me. I ate bungopang, fish shaped bread with red bean filling inside. I forgot to film it. We bought my brother a lot of seaweed. We bought some shrimp, dried shrimp, and some panchan, side dishes for me to eat and for my dad to eat, for everyone to eat. Anyway, we're in this store because it's so freaking cold. My hands are freezing. I literally bought myself some gloves. This one is out because I can't use my gloves. I can't use my phone with my gloves on, so yeah. We're just looking around. I got sweet potato because it's so cold. Yeah. You may be wondering, Johan, we saw you go down the stairs. Does that mean this is the next day? No, it isn't. Actually, I got an update. My Korean citizen identification card has arrived. So, I'm going there to get it alone. I am doing my best to be independent and I'm going to get it in the city hall. And I'm kind of scared shitless. Anyway, it's near here, so I'm just gonna walk there. It's cold as shit. Later, I'm gonna be going to a taekwondo gym. I don't know if I can film there, but I'm gonna do some taekwondo. You know, it's been a while since I did practice taekwondo, so yeah. See you guys. The city hall. I got my card and heading back home. Going back up. Funny thing is, my dad followed me. without me knowing. He was stalking me. He was wearing a camo jacket, so I kept on making a joke, saying like, "Oh, just because you're wearing camo doesn't mean I can't see you." Anyways, going up, gonna change to my tobo, which is the taekwondo outfit, and since it's 4, I'm just gonna chill there and wait. We're gonna leave at 5 anyway. So, on my tobo, about to go.
1품 정도 1품. 제일 간다. 자, 앞사람 조심하고 앞사람 차면 안 돼. 자, 하나. 자, 둘.
More like a warm-up than a workout per se, or training. It was more of a warm-up. Lights, please. Okay. It was more of a warm-up. So when class finished, I just trained by myself a little bit, but there was someone there waiting for me to finish. So I think I'm just gonna finish exercising in the house. Yeah.
Guys, we are going to a traditional Korean tea place, and not much planned. I think I'm gonna go taekwondo again, but I want to show you guys something. This doll has a belly button, and when I pull this down, there is a weenie. There's a weenie. Anyways, let's go. Here, they have a small menu, but like simplicity is everything. Oh, I ordered the ginger tea. Yeah. Ginger tea. 대추차. 상화차. 아, 쌍화차.
해바라기 씨 이런 거.
Whoa. We finished drinking our tea. It's really good. Highly recommended. I recommend my dad's drink. It's really good. We're at the Korean barbecue place, and we're gonna be eating hanu. Yeah. Nice. Our side dishes have arrived. Ooh, the beef is here. Oh my God.
This is so much responsibility. I think I did good.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna eat side dishes while waiting. First bite of beef. It's good.
옆으로 이렇게 냅두고
Cucumber chili.
너무 익으면 질겨서 맛이 없어.
아까 이거 이제 한
Not spicy at all. Sorry guys.
아빠 그쪽 나 괜찮아. 뜨거워.
The most expensive one.
너무 처음 말했다.
This one is the wood ear mushroom. They put honey mustard and vinegar.
I'm gonna seal that idea once I go back to the Philippines. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be eating lunch, and then at 5 or something, just that night, we're gonna be watching a performance of Taekwondo, but my dad's not gonna be there in the performance because he has some promise with his friends. So yeah. By the way, the vlog that I was supposed to upload, the iPad, since the iPad wasn't working, I don't think I can finish. No, I finished editing it. It's just that I can't upload it to YouTube because it takes long and the iPad would crash. So maybe when I'm back in the Philippines, the video would be out. So yeah. Special cafe. It's a bird cafe. You heard of dog cafe and cat cafe? This is a bird cafe. Here. Engmuse cafe. Bird. There's gonna be like some sort of bird watching and stuff, but no, it's a bird cafe. Like birds are roaming around. I think. I don't think birds would be roaming around because they would poop on the coffee. Anyway, oh, I can hear birds. Ooh, let's go inside. Look at them. Hello, buddies. Hello, buddies.
One of them's eating popcorns. He's eating popcorns. Let me put my mic on. He's eating popcorns. Look, popcorns on the floor. Hello. There's these two birds that they just brought out. I literally named them Stop and Go. Here's Stop and here's Go. But food for the birds. We bought food so that we can feed them. Yeah. Time to eat the birds. But since the birds are so little, we have to only give them the beans. Oh my god, that's so cute. Can we eat the birds now?
After they eat, we will eat them.
Nice. The three amigos. Oh no, they're going down.
활발한 애들은 이제 내려와서 먹다가 올라갔다가 이런 애들이 있어가지고.
Oh, that's so cute.
이게요?
얘는 왜 네 손 있는 데로 자꾸 오냐?
He keeps going up my spoon.
안녕.
Hello.
갑자기 단장하고 있네. 아이고. 왜 이렇게 싸워?
뽀뽀하는 중이야.
뽀뽀 아닌데 치고.
많아서 그래? 안녕.
많이 동경이 반사돼.
괜찮아? 안녕.
안녕?
말해도 되는 타임이야. 괜찮아. 안녕하세요.
오늘 말할 타이밍이 됐대.
소리야. 알아들었지 이제? 소리 안녕. 안녕.
겁났죠? 싫어? 안녕하기 싫어? 먹기도 싫어?
안녕.
오늘 컨디션이 안 좋아? 먹어보고서 얘기할 거야? 간 보고?
와, 잘 먹긴다.
안녕하세요.
안녕.
어머!
안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요까지. 안녕하세요. 안녕 말고 안녕하세요.
안녕만 하는데?
This bird talks. He talks. His eyes are adjusting. Oh, you can do it. You can do it, buddy. His eyes keep on adjusting. It's so cool. You can do it. He just wants to eat it.
와, 잘 먹힌다.
Damn, he shot it out. Did he talk?
안녕하세요.
Oh, he's talking.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요까지. 안녕하세요. 안녕 말고 안녕하세요.
안녕만 하는데?
안녕 말고 안녕하세요.
예의를 배워야 되겠군.
안녕하세요.
It talks.
오, 다 알죠.
It talks.
안녕하세요. 해야지 줄 거야. 안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요 안 할 거야? 이거 못 먹는데? 안녕하세요. 안녕만 해봐요. 안녕? 안녕? 심기 불편. 안녕? 포기해야 되나? 안녕.
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 오. 참 힘드네.
감격스럽다.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕. 안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요.
우. 게임 벗기는 거 봐. 나 그게 더 재밌어. 어떻게 저렇게 잘 벗겨?
Very easy for.
어머, 참 이쁘다.
진짜 이쁘게 생겼어.
엄마 얘 밥 줘.
아유, 여기도 이쁘다. 어떤 새야?
알과이. 알과이. 얘들아.
새새새.
머리 꼭지가 예쁘게 생겼다. 안녕?
Made a mess. Look at that. Bye bye. This is for lunch. Salad. Duck salad. Dessert. Guys, so I want to show you something because I've been seeing this on YouTube for a long time and I really want to try it, and I got it. It's a cheese-shaped cheesecake. It has been in my bucket list for so long. Look at that. That's adorable. Oh god. It's adorable. Look at that. It's any good, but I really want to try it. Let's try it. Opened it. I accidentally took a chunk out of it. It tastes good when I tasted it. My thumb got caught on it. Oh well. Here's a close-up of it. Looks like Tom and Jerry cheese. It looks so adorable. Ah, here we go. Ooh, it's soft. Mmm. It's really good. They really use really good quality cream cheese. There's no crust like the graham cracker crust on the bottom, but I think it needs that because it's very soft. It needs a little crunch for me personally, but yeah, it's not too sweet. It's really good, honestly. It's really good. Alright, let me finish this. This is really good, by the way. Later, we're gonna go to the performance and then, yeah, that's about it. Just want to add that it kind of feels like ice cream that will never melt. Yeah, it's really good. There's like a little creaminess to it. No, not like a lot of creaminess to it, but at the same time, it's not too creamy that's like melt in your mouth. It's more like there's a chew to it. It's really good. Lived up to my expectation. Kind of looks like butter, and when you cut it with a fork, it feels like butter, but it doesn't melt like butter. It's like, it's so light and full of air. It kind of feels like you're losing weight when you're eating this. It's really good. Like, I could scarf this down for like a few minutes and have another one. Anyway, I'm gonna keep eating it. Another update of the cheesecake. I'm so sorry. You remember when I said I wish there was graham cracker crust on the bottom so that there's a little crunch? Well, looks like I got my wish, but instead of in the bottom, it's in the middle. So it's amazing. It's more amazing now. It's not a graham cracker crust, but it adds a more texture to it. Yeah. I hope this is the last update of the cheesecake because this is really good.
We arrived in the concert thing. So yeah. Some fancy ass music's playing, and I don't know how to feel about this. Everybody's dressed up so fancy and I'm just wearing a sweater. Anyways, they're gonna be performing like a traditional taekwondo dance, and yeah, it's in the culture center anyway, so see you guys there. Turns out it wasn't a traditional dance. It was more of an interpretive dance. Yeah, so we left early because the music was weird. I didn't understand the story. I didn't understand the dance. I think we just stayed there for like 20 minutes and we just left. I didn't understand anything at all. Anyways, I don't know where we're going now, but I think we're going home. Kalbitam, bibimbap. Yeah. I've been craving doenjang for so long. Oh god. Tastes so good. Oh, I got a mosquito bite. Oh well.
Hey guys, it's been a while since I last vlogged and updated, so here it is. Yesterday we ate some sundae soup, but the sundae exploded. It was okay, but anyways, today we are gonna go to the sauna, my favorite, and at the same time we are gonna send a gift package to my family back at home. It's mostly jelly beans and other stuff, but like, yeah. See you guys. We're in the ice room.
Snow. Snow will come out.
It's very relaxing. I slept in one of the hot. There was also the hottest room. I keep on saying, there was a bunch of bunch of middle-aged ladies just forming a circle and sitting down. I wanted to go in the hottest room, but it looked like they were summoning a demon, so I just let them be. Yeah. It was scary. They were all cross-armed and very serious and talking to each other, and I'm like, I don't want to be a part of that.
Bro,
This is a rule. You have to get the sauna egg. You have to get the sauna egg when you're at the sauna. It's hard.
One shot.
Okay.
I cannot also.
It's really good.
Hot.
괜찮아. 그죠?
It's not spicy. It's good.
Done with the sauna. It was so relaxing. All my stress was gone. Anyway, we're about to go home. Yeah. Yeah. So we're done now, right?